Andiamo. Okay, let's go. Matter of fact, let's go together. Okay, Oliabo, oil botanicals. Okay, wow, this is really an exciting opportunity that I want to share with you briefly in this video, and also you'll be able to click here to get more information. Okay, you go to the next page, and then you'll also be able to click on that page as well to get more information. So this is exciting. Okay, so let's look here. It says one single upgrade that could dramatically impact your health and your financial future. Okay, and Oliabo, okay, again, oil botanicals. This is an exceptional opportunity. It's one that, you know, I've been looking for a referral-based marketing program that's pretty powerful, that has a great story, that has a great product, that has great leaders in the company, etc., etc. You know, everything that you look for if you're going to get into this type of industry: referral-based marketing, network marketing, human touch marketing. Okay, that's what it's all about. And so so I had been looking for a while, and I found this incredible opportunity. It's really brand new, and what a great time to get involved in this opportunity. But not only that, to really understand the science of this opportunity. Okay, so if you look here again for me, it says Oliabo, an exceptional opportunity, free to join. Okay, it's absolutely free to join, and you can join our team. We've got a powerful team of folks that's working together, helping people to grow and to build their lives, their incomes, etc. Okay, but again, look here for me. It says the big misunderstanding, and this thing really got me right here. Okay, it really touched my heart. Okay, it says for thousands of years, olive oil was used as medicine, not just food. But modern processing stripped it of its most powerful compounds, polyphenols. That's why most olive oils today have flavor but no therapeutic value. Wow. Okay, now check this out. What makes high-phenolic olive oil different? And that's what we have. We have very high quality olive oil. And I said in my first video that I did, you know, just Google the benefits of high quality olive oil. This is not just something that we're making up. This is something that's real, that's been researched, backwards and forwards, so to speak. Okay, now, what makes high-phenolic olive oil different? High-phenolic olive oil is intentionally crafted to preserve these bioactive compounds. And when these compounds are present, the benefits are profound. Here's what the research shows. And this is part of it, guys. This is part of it. There's more to it. And again, I share in other information that you'll be able to access. Okay, but just take a look at this. Okay, heart health. Okay, it supports healthy blood pressure, improves cholesterol balance, and protects arteries from inflammation. Now, I want to say this at the outset. You know, we make no medical claims or anything like that, but this is stuff that's found in the research, and I recommend highly that you check it out for yourself. Okay, brain health. Oh my. And you know, for me, the older I get, the more I realize, you know, I need some help in some areas. Okay, you might be the same way. You might understand, you might see the need for some help with your body. Okay, so here's brain health. Look, its antioxidants help protect nerve cells, support memory, and reduce neuroinflammation linked to cognitive decline. All right, here's another one. Inflammation control. Compounds like oleocanthal naturally calm inflammation, supporting joints, metabolism, and overall comfort. Another one, immune support. It provides natural antimicrobial protection against bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Okay. And another one is blood sugar and metabolism. It helps improve insulin insensitivity and metabolic balance. So you'll go here, you'll get more information, okay? And then you'll go to the next page where if you want to sign up for free, join me, join our team, you can do that. We've got Zoom calls throughout the week. We've got powerful information for you, and you can build this business if you want to, and you could really get the benefits of high-phenolic olive oil. Okay, there is a difference. Okay, so we're going to talk about it more as we go forward, but I want to take time to thank you so much for checking out this video today. Bye bye now.